Okay guys, in this video we are going to learn Java. This is Java day 1. I'm going to give you anything you have to know about Java. Okay, this is Java day 1. Stay with me. Alright, open your Eclipse. This is Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Open it and then close this page. This is the welcome page. Close it. Now once you close it, you will see this page. Go to the left and then click on File. Okay, left click and click on Java Project or click on Project, either one. Okay, once you click it, you will see this page. There's a pop-up. Now, okay, project name. We have to name our project. Let's name it. Let's name it program 1. Okay, let's name it program 1. And once you're done, okay, go to the bottom and then click finish. Okay, once you click finish, you can expand it. Once you expand it, okay, you will see src. This is the source. This is the source where you're going to keep all your file. Okay, and then right click on source. Once you right click on new. Now let's create our class. This is our first class. Okay, you click on it. Once you okay, now we have to name the class. This is this source folder name, program 1, and then this is the name here. We have to name, okay, our file. Let's name it day 1, and then go to the bottom. Which methods stop, you see that, would you like to create? Click on the first one, public static void main. Click on the first one and then click finish. Okay, now this is public class day 1, public static void main, string, and so on. Okay, we don't need this code. Okay, now let's get started. Don't forget, this is Java. Okay, day 1. Okay, this is a class day 1. Program 1 day 1. Okay. All you have to know, guys. First thing first. Every time you say system is a class. Okay. System is a class. Out is a property. Okay, I want to know. This is a few notes. Okay. Out is the property of the class, and every time you say point, okay, when you say point, you say this. Point is the behavior. Okay, point is a behavior of out. And then when you got the last thing is, oh no, not last thing, the semicolon. The semicolon, which is called, they call it, this is a terminator. This is a terminator. You end the line of code with the semicolon. Okay, and you use it to terminate. Okay, you use it to terminate a Java statement. And when you said slash, when you see /n is called an escape. Okay, this is an escape sequence. /n, escape sequence character. Okay, guys. Now next we have another one. We got /t. When you see /t is called an escape sequence. Okay, character, but for tab space. If you need space, you use /t. Okay. Now our first thing, every time you say system dot out dot point ln, we should get it. Okay, the parenthesis. Inside of this parenthesis, you should get it double quote. You got a double quote, and at the end you should put a semicolon. Now this is complete. Now, and then inside of this double quote you can pass any value, and it will point. It will point it. Point ln means point. You're gonna point the line. This is a line of code you pass inside of the double quote. What if I say welcome to Java? Okay, what you can do, okay, no, what you're going to do is go up here in the left corner, and then you click save. You see the two squares, you click save. Once you save it, and then you go on the, you see the triangle inside the green round color, something like that, and then you click, and then this is where you run. This is where you run the program. You click it, and then this is where you see, this is the output. You got the output on the bottom here. Welcome to Java. Okay, next, if we say system dot out dot point, okay, now it's, we're not going, okay, I'm not going to use point ln. Let's say point and then double quote. Okay, double quote. All right, this is a JDK. Okay, Java means Java Java development kit /n. /n means go to a next line. Okay, this is where I put it. /n is called an escape sequence character. Let's save the program and run it. I want this line of code to go to the second one. This is, I got welcome to Java, JDK Java Development Kit. All right, next, system dot out dot point, okay, double quote, JRE space, meaning Java runtime environment. Okay, and don't forget to put this. That's why you got that. You see, this is an error. Now you can see it says syntax error. Insert, as you can see, say insert semicolon. Put in semicolon here again, S. Okay, and then save the program and run it. Proceed. This is proceed. There is an error. Proceed. Let's say cancel and figure it out. Okay, everything looks good. Go to system. Okay. Okay. There should be capital S. Now it's okay. Now save again and run the program. Java runtime environment. This is how you point. Next, system dot out dot point, okay, parenthesis, double quote. And this time we got, let's use slash backslash n, okay, IDE. IDE means integrated development. environment, and then let's put backslash n again. Next line. Don't forget to put your semicolon, and then save the program and run it again. IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Okay. Now, last one. Let's say system dot out dot point double quote. Okay. Let's put July, and then backslash T. Don't forget we said T here. T is called an escape sequence character for tab space. Now we're gonna use space. July backslash T, and put the here 2019 semicolon. Save the program and run it again. Now we see this is the space. We have the space. Backslash T is for the space. Okay, guys. Next, this is the folder name, program 1, and then this is our class, public class day 1. Okay. This is the end of day 1. I think you will enjoy this moment, this class. This is day 1. Make sure if you like the video, please subscribe, share it, and see you in the next one, or day 2. Thank you. Bye bye.